All right, y'all. So if you haven't seen XRP pumping, Cardano, ADA pushing to the upside as expected. Crypto absolutely blasting off. Crypto absolutely blasting off right now. This is the weekly outlook and prediction. I'm about to break it all down. I told you guys crypto dips are for buying. That crypto would dump and then pump back to the upside. Bitcoin came back above the key level of 91.6K and is now bullish once again. And Cardano ADA up 60%, breaking out of the bull flag. We're seeing absolute craziness here. XRP going straight up as predicted. Double bottom. You're going to see moves. I try to tell you crypto dips are for buying. DZ fam, we are back. Lock in and subscribe for some of the best TA. AMC up here slightly in 24-hour trading. I'm going to break it all down. Weekly outlook and prediction live. And then I'm going to cut it into a video. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Might see some bearishness. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Might start seeing some bearishness on Thursday and Friday. We have unemployment and speech on Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Alright, so we're going to break this all down, and then I'm going to try to do a video live. I might mess up, so it is what it is. And I'm gonna chop this into a video, so hopefully you're seeing it now. If you're seeing it now, I appreciate it. If you're seeing it later on a video, I appreciate it. Alright, so AMC, man, we're looking good. AMC got this nice double bottom here. So AMC has this nice double bottom. Right here you can see AMC has a double bottom here, got this nice push. We have another double bottom which could lead to the larger inverse head and shoulders. And then we also have, let's check out GME. GME started to push up here on Friday. We also have a potential double bottom forming on GME, ironically, as well. Meme stocks are tend to trend together. We can see that RSI is trending up here for GME. This is extremely bullish. I'm expecting to see GME to actually have a continuation to the upside. So I'm expecting GME to be very, very bullish this week. I'm expecting AMC to be very, very bullish this week. And I'm expecting SPY to be very, very bullish this week. What we're seeing here in crypto is a literal short squeeze. If you go ahead and look at something like CoinGlass, if I would have looked at before this popped off, you could have looked at open interest here for Bitcoin, and you would have seen that it was all red. We're literally seeing a short squeeze to the upside here on BTC open interest. So Bitcoin is experiencing a little short squeeze right now. That does happen in BTC quite often. BTC is up about 10% right now, 9.5%, 10% right now. And then from the lows, and again, I didn't buy, I didn't pull the trigger. I should have bought, but it was a perfect buying opportunity. Crypto dips are for buying. Bitcoin up 20% from the lows. Ethereum is up as well, holding the trend line. Ethereum is up 12% right now for the day. Ethereum is up 20% from the lows. ADA, one of the biggest gainers here. ADA from the lows is up 117, 115%. Breaking out of this bull flag right here. Absolute insanity. Altcoins are going absolutely berserk right now. We're seeing altcoins go crazy again. We also, crypto went into that crypto fear and greed. So that was, telling us that, hey, and it's still in fear. This is an amazing buying opportunity. Amazing buying opportunity. And then, of course, remember BTC rainbow chart telling us that this was a buying opportunity. Constantly saying, hey, if it goes any lower, it's a buying opportunity. Accumulate, buy. That's exactly where we're at right now. We're actually in the buy. We're in the buy section right now. So right now, prime buying location here for BTC. BTC highly undervalued. Bitcoin bull run's going to be crazy 2025. If you do not hold crypto, you're sleeping, because you're gonna honestly wish by the end of 2025, and this is not financial advice in any way or shape or form. You got to do your own research. But I'm just telling you what I'm looking at as a person who holds crypto now, for full transparency, and what is coming. If you do not hold crypto right now, by the end of 2025, you're going to wish you held crypto, my boy. Oh, you're going to wish you held some. Okay? Crypto's about to go fucking stupid. Stock market is about to crash. Bitcoin is going to decouple exactly as predicted. Shit's about to get crazy. Now, if I'm correct, what we're going to see is SPY rally for a week or two. Okay? We are in the final stages of SPY potentially going into what I believe to be a major downtrend. Is this happening? I don't know. But we will see. I've been right so far. We'll see what happens. But SPY is about to have a major rally for about 2 weeks, a week. Okay? After this rally, SPY will then take a downturn. The rally should be a lower high. It should be a lower high, but you might get a higher high. And then after this, we have a 5 gifted. Raul, I did not expect anything on the weekend, brother. Those are the weekend gifteds are the most special type of gifteds, brother. 5 gifted memberships. If you just got a chat from Raul, please. If you just got a free membership, please thank him. Get the hype in the chat. Get the hype in the chat. This is real right now. DZ fam showing love. Truly appreciate it. Crypto Dipser for buying. DZ fam gets money because DZ fam gets top technicals. Of course, DZ fam does their own research too. Bro, thank you for the 5 gifted, dog. I did not expect that. Raul, thank you. You really made my day today. Thank you, brother. You really literally made my day today. So, yeah, this is what we're looking at, fam. Things are looking good for crypto. It's looking good in crypto land. I'm thinking we're really moving closer to what I said is going to be happening, where you see SPY start to pull back and crypto decouple. But I believe SPY is going to rally hard, okay? So this could all be part of everything. I could be wrong about the macro and BTC. BTC could just come up with the market and crash down as well. But I'm a firm believer in my TA. I'm a firm believer in sticking to my guns. Again, everyone has to do their own research. But I believe Bitcoin is actually going to decouple and crypto is actually going to decouple during this SPY pullback process, because SPY is kind of in a bubble. It's a unique situation because it was AI hyping it up. The Mag 7 is basically the thing that is driving NASDAQ and SPY higher. It's not really any other stocks. We're not seeing like mid-cap stocks. It wasn't an organic bull run like you would normally see that starts in the small and mid-cap stocks and then works its way up to the mega-cap stocks. That's how normally organic bull runs start, and then you see like a slow gradual building of money just coming in from the low cap stocks then to the mid and then so on and so forth. We didn't see that. So I think this bubble's going to pop. I think we're in the last few stages here. Bitcoin, again, I'm not saying SPY is Bitcoin. I'm just showing you for similar technicals. We had this wick to the upside during the flattening out process, the bullish divergence, RSI trending down, price trending up. I'm sure if I could get some volume charts, you would see volume trending down as well. We got this wick to the upside, then we bled for 1-2 weeks, okay? Keep that in mind. After that, we rallied for 2 weeks. We made a lower high, and then we dumped. I believe SPY is going to do something similar, okay? I want to make this very clear. This is actually almost a bullish hammer candle. So SPY dumped for 1-2 weeks after the flattening out process. RSI trending down, price trending up, price is now flattening. We got this wick to the upside. We dumped down 1-2 weeks. We're about to rally, possibly making a higher high. In my theory, we should probably make a lower high. And that would be even more confirmation of the bearishness if we do make a lower high. But with the bearish divergence, you could see, you know, a spike. It's very hard to say because of the bearish divergence. It could take forever. And right now, we're not really necessarily flat. We still have a somewhat of an up angle. So that is something I'm looking at as well. And when we touched this trend line, we bounced right off of it. This orange trend line, we bounced right off of it. So right now on SPY, I want to just make sure, you know, I'm staying realistic with myself and being real with myself. But what I think we're going to see next here, and I did call for a red week this week or last week, I think we're going to see a green week. I think we're going to see a decent rally for SPY and then potentially another week, okay? But we'll do it week by week as normal. But this is what I'm looking at. I think we could see a green week for SPY. I think we could potentially see a push up right now. You can see MACD is going very red on the weekly time frame. RSI is trending down. That means momentum is fading on the macro. So I'm very, very confident that the macro is playing out. Also, we have data coming out time and time after again. GDP is contracting while the inflation is going back up. We can see GDP is contracting. Also, if we get things like the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, that's going to be absolutely crazy for Bitcoin and help it decouple, especially if we get it for Texas or the United States. And then I want you guys to notice this about AMC. I actually wanted to make a video about this. AMC's price discovery is all about liquidity. Right now, we have billions in Treasury FTDs. This data indicates huge liquidity issues going into 2025. And I'm actually going to make a short video about this right now because it's very important that people see this. And I'm going to put it in try to put it in the weekly outlook and prediction as well. But with SPY turning down, and if SPY goes down, providing even more liquidity issues, you could see things get absolutely crazy for AMC and GME. So AMC and GME holders, I know people watch my channel for many different things, but AMC and GME holders, you need to understand this. Check it out. Billions in Treasury FTDs. This data indicates huge liquidity issues for shorts going into 2025. In 2021, the highest FTDs barely hit 30 billion. Just came in a few months ago. FTDs have reached a record-breaking 42 to 76 billion range. Huge liquidity issues. It's extremely bullish. AMC's price discovery is directly tied to liquidity for hedge funds. If they don't have liquidity, we see AMC go absolutely insane and get true price discovery, which it should be going through the moon because many people hold. And they also buy as well. But there's even more. If my theory about SPY is correct and SPY starts to have this downtrend, which it seems to be tracking, and all of these things seem to be tracking that liquidity is starting to dry up for hedge funds, if SPY starts to pull back as well, this will create even more problems for the hedge funds, and AMC and GME could absolutely go insane. I've been saying we would be going into a recessionary, depressionary type state, and then you would start to see AMC and GME start to wake up and things would get crazy. It looks like all of this is coming to fruition and the macro is playing out. Like and subscribe to see stock and crypto predictions like this and news each and every day. All right, so I want you guys to understand that. So we got some liquidity issues coming up. For AMC potentially. We have 50 people in the building right now. Everyone hit that like button. Everyone hit that like button. Shout out to Raul, bro. Homie dropped a 5 gifted. I can't believe it. Homie dropped a 5 gifted, bro. Homie dropped a 5 gifted. I didn't miss anything else, did I? On the weekend. That's wild, bro. Absolute legend. You made my day, brother. Truly. So we're going to look at that. I'm going to try to put that in the video. I got to remember that. So the liquidity issues. I'm just getting everything ready for the video so I don't mess it up. Thank you if you guys are watching here live. You are seeing this information first and getting it in great detail. I just broke down SPY, what I believe is going to be happening for SPY. Crypto is absolutely ripping right now. Follow me on Twitter/X. We're about to pass 2,100. So please follow me on Twitter/X. We're about to pass 2,100. I just posted that link. If we get things like the Bitcoin Reserve, Strategic Reserve, that will definitely help Bitcoin decouple from... Bitcoin is up 10% right now. Cardano ADA, ladies and gentlemen, up over 100% from the lows. I just collected some Cardano ADA. Portfolio looking right now. That's why I hold crypto. They try to shake you out. They always try to shake you out. You got crypto's the ultimate. You got to know how to hold. So AMC and GME holders. I know people watch my channel for many different things, but AMC and GME holders, you need to understand this. Check it out. Billions in Treasury FTDs. This data indicates huge All right, I just got that video ready. Let me grab a water. It's right over here. Bitcoin pushing up. All right, so yeah, I just posted that, and crypto's pumping. If you guys don't know, massive gains in crypto land. So I think I have everything ready here. Been live for about a half hour, so we'll get it popping here in a couple more minutes. Dang, there was some like fake trader stuff going on too. There was some like drama. Oh man, Tate Brothers just released a coin. Tate Brothers just released a coin, ladies and gentlemen. The Tate Brothers just released another coin. Crime's legal ever since Trump made a meme coin, bro. He probably helped. Honestly, I hate that he made that meme coin, dude. I hate that he made that meme coin. That was the biggest L he took. Where are we at? That meme coin was so dumb, bro. And it's rug, too.
Jump into it now. I want to say it's an auspicious day. Not only are the Epstein files about to be released.
Oh, Epstein files being released, too.
Andrew and Tristan Tate. They're free to leave Romania. All because, according to the Financial Times, the White House and government officials have been pressuring Romania to let these poor, persecuted influencers go. Here's the scoop from the Financial Times. The Tate's case was first brought up by U.S. officials in a phone call with the Romanian government last week, and then followed up by Trump's special envoy Richard Grenell when he met with the Romanian foreign minister. A fourth person said a request was made to return the brothers' passports and allow them to travel while they waited for court proceedings to conclude. Lo and behold, that's exactly what happened. A few days later, prosecutors said the travel ban has been lifted and the pair's U.S. passports have been returned to them. But investigations into their alleged crimes have not been dropped, and they're expected.
I want to see this coin he made.
We talked about why he was in Romania, and his line there that he'd said a lot was he was in Romania because it was...
Seems like a personal attack.
When trying to set up shell companies to allegedly launder money. I know this because...
Yo, you cannot buy these meme coins from these people, dude. If you buy a meme coin from these people, you deserve to get rugged. You deserve to get rugged. There was also like this fake trader that got exposed this weekend as well. I think his name was Datazero or something. He got exploded for like fake trading or something like that. This guy's trying to say who killed, I'm trying to see. Yo, Bitcoin pumping. So if Bitcoin holds 91.6K, we're going to continue to the upside. If we head towards 100K, it's on and popping. ADA did one of the biggest moves by far. Major liquidities for issues for hedge funds. Is anyone in the Discord? I just dropped information in the Discord about day trade chat. %, spies about the pump. So indications that spies about the pump. We're above the blue medium line. We just got green MACD 4-hour time frame. If we go to the smaller time frames, the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten up. We're about to pump, dude. There's a lot of indications. Alligator has crossed over. This is a bullish double bottom. There's a lot of indications that SPY's gonna pump. We're gonna go to at least 600, but we also have price targets at 590, 680. And you guys that are first getting this information right now, I'm about to break it down into a video, man. I'm gonna try to drop it all live, one take. Can't believe we got 5 gifted off the rip, bro. That's wild. You're wild for that, bro. Yeah, so don't buy meme coins, everyone. Do not buy meme coins. Do not buy meme coins, okay? Do not buy meme coins. Everything with the macro is playing out perfectly, man. We have NVIDIA doing better for earnings. We have GDP going down while inflation's going up. That means economy's contracting. It's stagflation. I broke it all down here in this tweet. GDP just dropped, and it's lower than the previous, showing the economy is contracting and inflation is not going away. We are still in stagflation. A recession/depression is coming. Stagflation is devastating to everyday people. It literally is, because you have the inflation without the economy growth. Normally, economy growth comes with inflation. AMC double bottom, GameStop double bottom. We're about to see a green week for AMC, green week for GME, green week for SPY, green week for crypto. XRP is about to make a nice move to the upside. XRP is approaching breakout zone. It has a double bottom here, nice double bottom forming. Bottom 1, bottom 2. How I illustrated it was going to move straight up. It literally is. You see how I drew this accumulation range and then a straight up pump? We need to see ADA stay above 275, but if it moves above 335, or I'm sorry, XRP, we need to see XRP stay above 275. If XRP moves towards 335, you could see a decent push to the upside, because XRP would go into price discovery mode. Also, there's an XRP ETF possibly in the works, so I think things are going to be huge for XRP, in my personal opinion. I think things are going to be absolutely massive, and I think by the end of the year, XRP will definitely be over $3, in my personal opinion. Well over $3. Crypto's going to, by the end of 2025, crypto's going to be at new highs, way new highs. And DZ fam was able to accumulate at 28K and under because I called for this massive bull run, and now I'm tracking it day by day, week by week. I've been saying crypto dips are for buying. The macro, everything shows the macro. And then altcoin season isn't happening yet, but I did say around, which is crazy, March, April, or May. And if Bitcoin makes this move up, then you'll see altcoin season, because what will happen is if Bitcoin makes the move up that I'm expecting, what you're going to see is Bitcoin make a much higher high, taking altcoins higher because Bitcoin dominance is so high, and we'll go into altcoin season around March, April, May as predicted, which is actually kind of insane. If you've been following my channel, you know that I've been saying March, April, May, altcoin season. I'm going to put a trade in the Discord. So basically it starts around that time. And I was saying that months ago. Is there anybody in the chat right now? We actually got 74 people in the building. Is there anybody in the chat right now that heard me say that before about altcoin season being in March, April, May. Is there anybody in the chat right now that heard me say that? Thank you, Caleb, for the good questions. Baby UFO in the building. Roaring Lion in the building. Yeah, ADA broke out of this nasty bull flag that we've been tracking. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate that. Shout out Raul for the 5 gifted. Shout out Raul for the 5 gifted. Got 68 in the building. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. This is the weekly outlook and prediction on the weekend. This is the weekly outlook and prediction on the weekend. Getting ready for next week. I believe we're about to see bullishness for SPY. So get ready. I'm trying to think of what trade to put in the Discord here. The one I put out just recently just printed. I want to see what the morning brings, but what I'm thinking is SPY will pull back in the morning, or I'll explain it. Hold on. See if we can get a few price targets here. All right, so I'm going to have a trade in the Discord for everybody in the Discord. If you want to get in the Discord, hit me up on my email, DataZero Official 5 If you want to get in the Discord, it literally pays for itself. It's $100 for a lifetime invite. I don't know why the line is so messed up. Like, what is happening? Yo, Mike R with the 5-piece. No way, dude. Thank you, bro. That's wild, bro. I can't believe you did that. All right, I have the trade all set up. And the last one I put out was a banger. I just put one out on Friday last week. So I just put that in the the trading section, y'all. I gave you the price targets and the analysis and what I believe that's going to happen in the morning. Now, let's go ahead and get this video started. Let's just make sure any altcoins didn't go stupid crazy. Biggest gainers for today. Bitcoin dominance, is it coming down just a little bit? Biggest gainers, not too much. Okay. Yo, thank you all for being here, dude. The fact that you guys did that on a weekend, the 5 super chat. Okay, so the fact that you did the 5 super chat and the 5 super chat and the 5 gifted on the weekend is crazy. What up, Zelly Zen? Glad to see you here. Zelly Zen in the building. It's Bano in the building. We got B and Z in the building right now. It's like the old days. Wait, hold up. You guys are wild. If we can get over 50 likes, that would be crazy. Can we get over 50 likes? So shout out Raul and Mike R, bro, for real. Thank you, man. I appreciate y'all. All right, let's try to do this video. If you're watching right now, I would appreciate it if you just drop a like on the video when it does come out. That would be great. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Can't wait to quit. What the? Brother! We're going in the Hall of Fame with this one. Can't wait to quit. Just dropped a 5-piece as well on the motherfucking weekend, you dig? Yo, get the hype in the chat. Hype in the chat right now, fam. Hype in the chat right now, fam. Hype in the chat right now, fam. It's a party, 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 it's a party. Yo, thank you. Bitcoin pumping, Bitcoin pumping. I told y'all crypto dips are for buying, baby. Maybe some of the people sending super chats bought the crypto dips. Who knows? Now they're up 50%, 100%, 20%. Nana Ape don't got the regular hype. Hey, maybe stick around. Maybe you'll get a gifted. Sunday chats are wild. I do need you guys to press the like button on the video though when it comes, and press the like button on the live stream right now. We're trying to get 50 likes so I can start the video. Bitcoin moving even higher. Bitcoin resistance at 95,000. If Bitcoin breaks 95,000, you could see a continuation to the upside. Ethereum also pushing higher, 2.5K. Crypto portfolio is getting a nasty bounce back to the upside. Hopefully you bought the dip. Bro, this shit got me hyped. I really should have bought the dip, though. I didn't buy the dip. And I literally was about to pull the trigger, dude. I'm so mad at myself. I'm still going to buy some, though, just a little bit. Life's good right now. Life good right now. Thank you guys for everything, man. I appreciate y'all for allowing this to be my job. Thank you for tuning in. I'm so fucking grateful. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. Let me grab a coffee and then I guess we'll start the video. We're trying to get 50 likes before we started the video, but... What the hell? Why would you do that while I was gone? Why would you do that while I was gone? You guys are ridiculous, bro. You guys are ridiculous. Shorty dropped the 10 piece while I was away. And that's your 10 super chat. You've been putting in work. What is going on? It's a party in the chat too. Look, everyone's here. Fishy's here. Can't wait. Miss Hounder. Dude, thank you for the 10 piece. That means a lot. Thank you. I know who you are. You act like I'm dumb. Alright, we got 50 likes, so the video's gonna get started. If AMC pumps like I think it's gonna, maybe I'll get flooded with views. Maybe I'll get flooded with views if AMC pumps like I think it's gonna. Alright, you guys are ridiculous, bro. That's enough. That's enough. The 10 piece is outrageous. That's actually the largest super chat. That's probably one of the larger ones we received on the weekend, man. I appreciate that. The 10 piece is wild. You guys are wilding. Y'all are wilding, fam. Stop it. We got five new members. We got 5 new members and 50 likes on a freaking weekend stream. And we got super chats, bro. Y'all are wilding right now, dog. We have the same amount that we would get literally on a regular stream. It's like, it's crazy. We have 65 people in the building too, which is pretty dope. Let me try to get this video though. We're gonna try to do this one take only. It's extremely difficult. It's extremely difficult, so I might have to start over once or twice. I'm kind of nervous. Hopefully I get it right. All right, I believe AMC is gonna push up. AMC, what I want to talk about AMC micro is I just want to talk about tomorrow. I think we're going to see maybe a bullish day tomorrow if we can break above this key level here of 3. We're going to move it up to 332. What the heck? All right, no, we're not. We're going to leave it right where it is. We need to break above 331. We need to stay above 331. I think we're going to briefly go below it and then push up towards 336. We need to get above 336. That's the major key level because once we get above 336, that's what could send us towards 350. So that's what we want to care about as AMC holders, getting above 320, 336. GameStop. Oh, I also want to talk about the double bottom on AMC. I want to make sure that's in there, and I want to try to keep it under 20 minutes. All right, we have a potential double bottom forming. GameStop has a potential double bottom forming. Green week. I want to put in the news about the FTDs, Treasury FTDs. I don't know if I have Solana chart. Solana's gonna do fine. I have a little bit. Well, it has this crazy gap though on the daily time frame. That's kind of wild. If this is the real chart, that's kind of crazy. That is actually insane. We might have to look at that. I'll look at that in a second. I gotta get this video because I gotta get offline and I still gotta edit. But definitely, crypto dips are for buying. Main top coins, like I said, XRP, Cardano, ADA. Cardano, ADA is up over. Cardano, ADA right now is up 65%. Okay, it's up 65% in one single day. And if you zoom out Cardano ADA from the lows, which had a double bottom, so you could have easily bought, is up over 100%. I'm telling you, Cardano ADA is one of the top coins. XRP is one of the top coins. Ethereum is going to be one of the top coins, and they're going to make moves. And so all you really need is like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano ADA, and maybe some other stuff, XLM and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, man, not financial advice. Crypto dips are for buying. 2025 is going to be hella bullish. Yeah, it's crypto's getting a good narrative as far as politicians are concerned. Thank you for 52 likes, man. I appreciate that. If you guys want to help out, support the channel, just hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. All right, let's see if we can get this. All right. Yo, fam, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. I'm actually recording this live right now, so if you're watching this live, man, I truly appreciate it. If you can, just drop a like and subscribe on the channel, help the channel grow. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be for the week of March 3rd into March 7th. So March 3rd into March 7th. Let's go ahead and break it down, AMC, GME, stock, and crypto market. Now, if you haven't seen, I posted about all of this stuff. And again, I was live. So if you got to see the live, I appreciate it. But if you're watching the video, I appreciate it as well. Crypto made a massive move to the upside, short squeeze to the upside. Literally got squeezed to the upside. Open interest, if you would have looked at this chart before the move to the upside, it would have been all red, and people were shorting BTC, expecting it to crash. BTC started to move up and then literally created a short squeeze. This happens in Bitcoin all the time. So Bitcoin is making a major move to the upside. We're going to cover that here in the end of the video during the crypto section. Right now, we got some exciting things going on for AMC. I talked about this as well and tweeted about this. Make sure you follow me on Twitter/X. It helps me out a lot. It's in the comment section description down below. And right here's the name as well. But billions in treasury FTDs. The data indicates huge liquidity issues for shorts going into 2025. In 2021, the highest FTDs barely hit 30 billion. Just a few months ago, FTDs reached a record-breaking and consistent 42 to 76 billion range. Okay, this is huge. All right, this is also showing that the macro is playing out where I talked about SPY potentially pulling out. We're also pulling back. You can see that GDP is starting to fade. Okay, GDP is contracting. Inflation is not going away, so the economy is contracting. GDP is going down. SPY looks like it's potentially topping out, but I'm going to get to this in a second. SPY is going to see a rally, but it's potentially topping out. And if SPY tops out on top of all of these things, with all of these liquidity issues, that's when AMC will see true price discovery. AMC and GME doesn't see true price discovery unless shorts have liquidity issues. And it looks like if SPY pulls back, even more problems, even more liquidity issues will occur. We'll see margin calls, and AMC and GME could be set up in a very good position to see a move to the upside. I believe something is brewing in the background, in my personal opinion, and the fundamental data is starting to show that. Also, AMC is starting to improve fundamentally. We just got a good earnings, so things are looking good. GameStop also improving fundamentally. If GameStop buys Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, it would absolutely go insane. We had seen some speculation for GameStop when they potentially announced that they would be buying crypto. GameStop with this potential double bottom. AMC with a potential double bottom as well. So you can see that we have this bottom one, bottom two, which could lead into a inverse head and shoulders. You have your shoulder here, your head here, and the shoulder here, which could see AMC bottoming and pushing to the upside greatly. So if all of these things happen, where AMC starts going up, GME starts going up, as SPY starts pulling back and liquidity dries up, we truly could see AMC get in a position to see a mega move to the upside. Again, now that's in the future. SPY, I believe, is actually about to have a rally for a couple weeks. I'm going to break that down here in the SPY section, so make sure you watch that. But I do believe we are in the final stages where SPY is going to top out, and we're going to start seeing the pull back. And then again, that's going to cause liquidity issues where AMC and GME can see true price discovery. Now, as far as the technicals for this week are concerned, I am expecting a green week here for AMC. I think this double bottom on the micro is going to play out, which potentially could play out into the inverse head and shoulders. If we break above the key level of 336, that means the inverse head and shoulders on the macro is playing out, and we're going to see a nice move to the upside. As far as the micro is concerned, so the smaller time frame, what we need to see here on tomorrow or Tuesday, we need to see AMC get back above 336, okay? That's all we really need to worry about. What I think is going to be happening here on Monday, I think we'll see some consolidation. Break down below 331 using about 330, 328 as support, and then pushing up towards 336. If we break above 336, we can head towards 350. And if we break above 350, we can start doing the inverse head and shoulders around that 350, 363 area. So the main thing right now we're worried about on AMC is breaking above 336 with the micro double bottom. Bottom one, bottom two. We do have these sell walls here at about 332 to 338. They are trying to push us down, but we could see bullish momentum push to the upside, as I believe we're actually going to see a little bit of a tailwind for AMC and GME, because SPY and the overall market is going to be rallying, in my personal opinion. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. As far as the numbers are concerned, you can see here AMC short interest sitting at 8.73%. We want to see that go up if possible. They are shorting heavily, 4.3 million short shares at time of recording. They did have 10 million short shares, then they just disappeared. You can see they shorted heavily here right around that time where the 10 million occurred. I actually did a video on it. Cost to borrow is staying steady, but right now starting to flatten out, 0.45%. At time of recording. Again, 4.7 million short shares at Chart Exchange reporting, and FinTel reporting 4.3. I think Chart Exchange is a little bit better right now, so 4.7 is probably where they're at time of recording. GME short shares available to borrow is 2.8. I'm just going to quickly look into the options chain here for GME and just see we are stacked with calls to the call side here for GME. I'm going to quickly look here for AMC. And we are stacked to the call side here for AMC as well for the expiration coming up. So I believe we're going to see a bullish week here for AMC and GME. GME technicals, as far as we're concerned, it is tracking with my prediction that I've been having here for a few videos now. GME making a double bottom, okay? I believe GME is in the process of bottoming out. We had this huge rally to 34.40. It's coming down. I think it's finding a bottom here. We're making a double bottom, bottom one, bottom two. We need to see GME break above and hold 25.15. If we break and hold 25.15, we can move towards 25.67. And if we break and hold 25.67, that's confirmation that GME is indeed bottoming and going to start pushing back up towards 26, 28, maybe even $30. But I believe that GME is actually ultimately what it's doing is bottoming here. From this rally, this huge rally to the upside. I believe it's bottoming, and it's actually going to form a bottom where that gives it momentum to push up to make a new high. I've seen some people were saying they were hoping they sold here. And again, you maybe could have took profits and bought down here, but you never know when or if you would have bought the bottom. I believe GME is going to be pushing up, in my personal opinion. Macro shows, again, when in doubt, zoom out. Breaking out of a macro falling wedge. We also have green monthly MACD and momentum building. We also have a buy signal here on the super trend on the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. So these are all very bullish things for GME, and I think we're actually going to make an overall uptrend and go into a potential bull run here for GME, or a massive move to the upside if the market starts to pull back. Again, GME is very similar to Volkswagen, as Volkswagen was trending up as the market was trending down. Again, we did see a little bit of capitulation when the market capitulated, but it still led to a short squeeze. So again, I'm not telling anyone what to do, but you never know what could happen. So the stocks could literally capitulate before squeezing. So you have to do your own research. Me personally, I'm going to be holding until I see a bigger move to the upside. So this one I'm looking at for AMC and GME. GME green week, AMC green week. Let's go ahead and move into SPY in the overall stock market, and then we'll move into BTC and then crypto, and then wrap up this video. So as far as SPY is concerned, I think SPY is going to be rallying. I think we're going to see a green week for SPY. I think SPY is going to be pushing up quite hard. You can actually see double bottom as well for SPY. Bottom 1, bottom 2, it's holding this key level. It just broke to the upside. Huge pump to the upside. I actually called this out in the Discord. Again, if you want to get into Discord, hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. It's $100 for a lifetime invite. I put out plays, technicals, called this out there. We're going to get a big pump. Some people were saying they paid out over 1,000% in options. So again, it literally pays for itself within just one play in some instances. But this is what we're looking at for SPY. I think we're going to push up. I have a few price targets here, and I did talk about it extensively in the Discord. And if you are in the Discord, I have a trade set up for you already. But you guys can see 596.80 is price target number 1, 598.72, and then 694. Those are all support and resistance. I believe SPY will be heading towards these levels. I think it's going to go up towards as high as 694 as early as this week. I think we're going to see a decent rally to the upside for SPY. I believe SPY is in the topping out process. I'm just going to briefly explain it. That way this video doesn't get too long, but I have explained this in other videos right now, and I broke it down on the live stream. So if you're watching the video, watch the live stream because I broke it down on the live stream quite well. But right now, SPY is in the flattening out process of the bearish divergence. In my personal opinion, I could be wrong. I could be a little bit wrong with the timing. RSI trending down, price trending up, okay? You can see that SPY is flattening out, had this wick to the upside. It bled 1 and 2 weeks. If we go ahead and look at a similar technical, I'm not saying SPY is Bitcoin. I'm just showing you similar technical setup that we had here. A very bullish run, 4K all the way up to 65K. No one thought it could ever stop. It could ever end. Bearish divergence, RSI trending down, price trending up, just the same way SPY. People say it will never end, could never stop. Had a wick to the upside during the flattening out process. Bled 1, bled 2 weeks. Then it rallied, absolutely pumped. 1 week and 2 weeks. I believe we're going to see something similar here for SPY. If we get a lower low or lower high on SPY, that is confirmation that we probably will see more downside. We can see confirmation building as well because MACD here on the weekly time frame is building bearish extreme. It's like it's growing even deeper. Dark red right here, or bright red right here, showing a lot of bearish volume. So what I'm expecting is a potential recovery rally here for SPY, rallying up. If we make the lower high, that would be a potential signal that I am correct, and we were going to see a correction down after maybe a week or 2 of rallying. That's just basically the summary of it. You can see this bullish hammer candle. This is actually looking pretty bullish. I think we're going to see a rally to the upside for SPY. It's going to be a very green week for SPY this week, and then potentially making a lower high and then pulling back. But I could be wrong. We could make a higher high because of the bearish divergence, or I could be wrong off with the timing because SPY isn't necessarily flattening out. But with the technicals that I'm watching, I think I'm right with the timing and everything, but it's not necessarily flat yet. It still has a little bit uptrend, so we could see a little bit more time before it pulls back. But I believe that we are actually going to see a week or 2 of rally, which is going to lead to a deeper correction. So we are literally weeks away from this potential correction. We'll see what happens. Time will tell. But this is what I'm looking at for SPY. As far as right now this week, I'm looking at a green week for SPY, heading high as possibly 694. I put out detailed trade in the Discord talking about what we could see. As far as Monday is concerned, I think we will see a pre-market rally, then a pullback, possibly down to like 592.89. So you'll probably see some excitement and then a drop down. And then, but I think as the week goes on, you'll see continued upside. Now we do have some things to worry about that could cause some bearishness in the later half of the week, but ISM is coming out. These are all 3-star data drops. We got that coming out on Monday. We also have ISM PMI on Wednesday. Then we have the big one, unemployment is going to be coming out on Friday. We also have a speech from the Fed chair, which is huge, and non-farm payrolls as well. That's why I believe Friday could be a little bit more bearish, but I believe you're going to see SPY trend up for most of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, potentially see bearishness, but I think you're going to see an uptrend most of this week. Again, you could start topping out towards the later half of the week. This is what I'm looking at for SPY in the overall stock market. Let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto and wrap up this video. So Bitcoin and crypto, okay? Bitcoin absolutely pumping to the upside. We're getting possible legislation for the Bitcoin strategic reserve. This is why I think we could see Bitcoin decouple if we do see a crash. Again, we could still see an initial sell-off with the overall market, but I believe it would lead to a spring to the upside. This is just my personal opinion. I'm extremely bullish on BTC, and I do hold BTC and crypto for full disclosure. You can see that Bitcoin is getting that short squeeze that I talked about in the beginning of the video, okay? Bitcoin dominance is still extremely high, but this is starting to look like what I was going to be saying, that we would see a flush out, then a move to the upside. And if Bitcoin can maintain above this 91.6K level and start moving back towards 100K, there's a potentiality that it could blast off past this previous high, and that could send us into altcoin season. I talked about a potential altcoin seasoning happening around March, April, May. That would be the beginning of it. In the macro, I talked about this over a year ago. Potentially, this is what we're seeing now, okay? If we do see Bitcoin start to move up, we do need to see Bitcoin to move up for this to happen. But Bitcoin is holding the key level of 91.6K, and we want to see if it can continue to hold that level. Right now, RSI is moving into the overbought territory, so I'm expecting to see a pullback. 91.6K is the key level. If we lose that, we could see a potential flush back to the downside. But right now, Bitcoin is holding and consolidating and potentially getting ready to move back towards 100K. If we can break back into 100K, we could literally blast off to a much newer high, as we've been consolidating in this range for quite some time now. So this consolidation could lead us, especially with these retests of these lows, could lead us to moving much, much higher. And I believe by the end of 2025, Bitcoin and all of the cryptocurrency market is going to be way, way higher. XRP is going to be over $3. Bitcoin potentially going as high as 120, 130, maybe even much, much higher. You can see as far as Bitcoin rainbow chart is concerned, we are in the buy zone. That's why I kept saying Bitcoin and crypto dips are for buying. You can see that is definitely proven right here. Some coins is like Cardano ADA up over 100% from the lows. Again, Cardano ADA is one of the key coins that I talked about, that I said is going to be doing very, very well in this altcoin season. Up over 100% from the lows, up over 68% today alone. Bitcoin is up 10%, Ethereum up 13%, up 20% from the lows. Again, key coins, XRP, Cardano ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I don't necessarily suggest meme coins. I don't give any financial suggestions or advice, but I suggest you would probably want to stay from meme coins if you were me, okay? If you were me, you would want to stay away from meme coins. Meme coins are not the way to go, in my personal opinion. I know they can seem very, very tempting with gains, but ladies and gentlemen, they can literally lead you wrecked. Even Trump's coin literally got rug pulled. All meme coins get rug pulled, and it's not even because of the person making it all the time. There's different mechanics. There's snipers. There's different types of traders that do manipulation and stuff like that. It's out of the person's control, okay? So meme coins always end bad. Stick to top quality projects, in my personal opinion. Again, nothing you hear on this is financial advice for you. This is just my personal opinion and my research and my due diligence. But as far as crypto is concerned, I'm thinking we're going to see a bullish continuation to the upside. We just need to hold that 91.6K here on BTC. Crypto is going to continue to follow Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin does get that blast off move to the upside, that could send us into the altcoin season that I was talking about coming over a year ago, March, April, May, as we start to move into that. And then if altcoin season comes, you'll see your favorite altcoin go absolutely bananas. But right now, Bitcoin dominance is still extremely high, coming down a little bit, but it's still extremely high. You would need to see Bitcoin dominance under 50% to confirm altcoin season. But right now, again, crypto dips are for buying. Crypto looking very, very good. Let's see if we can hold the line. And if so, there is a bright future ahead. But regardless of what happens, I believe that if we've seen a pullback, it's just providing more opportunities. And remember, they're going to always try to shake you out of your BTC. and your other crypto because they can't print it like other things. They have to make you sell it. So hodl crypto, in my personal opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your weekly outlook and prediction. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you all for everything. You guys went crazy with the super chats on a live stream, so I truly appreciate that as well. If you guys want to tune in for the live stream tomorrow, tune in. Even if you're at work, I don't care if you don't chat or anything. Everybody tuning in, that helps me out a lot, so I appreciate it if y'all could tune in. And as always, y'all, I appreciate y'all for allowing this to be my job. Have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace. All right, did I get it? Chat froze up, but that's fine. Was it a good video? Let me know if it was a good video. Also, if you watched it now, please hit the like button on it when it drops. Please. I want to try to get 1,000 views on it. I kind of messed up on the crypto part because I was going to break down some other things, but I didn't. I was going to look at XRP too. I forgot to look at XRP. XRP is a big one to include. But people in the live stream, you got to see me talk about XRP. XRP, we needed to hold 275, but I think it's going to be moving towards 335, especially if we get like something like the XRP ETF. I think we're going to break above 335 this year and be way past that by the end of the year. And I did say that about crypto and altcoins, which was the main point. That's why if you watch the live stream, and I broke down a bunch of stuff too, so that's why if you watch the live stream, you get benefits. All right, let's see if I have a thumbnail for it already. I do. I need a title or something now. Crypto. The macros tracking. I need a title. The macro is tracking. Crypto is decoupling. Green week, green week. Big opportunity, big money. Here's my prediction for Monday, y'all. So like a pullback, rally in the pre-market, pull back, and then pump. Yeah, I need something clickbaity. AMC liquidity drying up. I can't think about a title right now. Liquidity's drying up. The macro is tracking. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. We're going to get this video edited and get this thing out there. It's getting kind of late. Thank you all for tuning in, man, for real. Let's get this video out there. Make sure you guys hit the like on the video so I get lots of views on it. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. We're going to get this video. We're going to get this video right. Shout out, Snatch. Can't wait to quit my job. Mike R. and Raul. Thank you, man. I appreciate y'all. 70 likes is crazy. Bro, you're tripping. I bought 1,000 XRP when you kept saying it. It's gonna be good. Thank you, dude. Thank you, bro. You're crazy, dude. You bought it, brother. You did your own research, man. I appreciate you showing love, though. Thank you, 5150, for the 10-piece, brother. Thank you, 5150, for the 10-piece. I really appreciate that, dude. Thank you, dude. That's crazy that you did that. Altcoins are gonna go crazy, but Bitcoin needs to hold. I'm about to mute the mic though. I gotta edit this video. Thank you, everybody, though. I appreciate y'all for real, man. Y'all crazy with the support.
Let's go. Yo, let's go. Yo, fam, what is up? You are back for another video. Hey, yo, fam, what is up? You are back.
Ada is going crazy. Ada is going crazy. Ada is going crazy. Ada's up one of the biggest, yo. It's up 71%. It's outperforming almost everything. XRP is one of the bigger gainers as well, 34%, but Ada's up 71%. XRP, ADA, these are going to be the top coins. If XRP gets the ETF, it's going to blast off. God bless the DZ fam. Bitcoin pushing higher, Bitcoin pushing higher, Bitcoin pushing higher. Ada's ripping. I was live. I'm about to get off now, right now, brother. Thank you for everything, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm actually about to get off live right now, everybody. Thank you, everybody that's here right now. The live stream is ending. Live stream is ending. Thank you, DZ fam. Video comes out in a few minutes, so I have a video dropping. Please check out the video if you can. I would highly appreciate it if you checked out the video. I have a video dropping, and it's about to drop in a few minutes. I need to go get this out now so it doesn't drop too late. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace. See you, Clone and Clark. See you, everybody. Tune in tomorrow for the live stream, and please check out the video.